Hey guys, good morning. It is Friday, September 18th, and we finally made it to Friday. Actually, I think this week went really quickly for me, so I'm definitely tired, but I feel like it was a good week. It is A Day today, so we are at the start of a new cycle. My morning classes, my periods 2 and 4, we will be doing what the PM kids did yesterday, which is a read aloud of Knots in My Yo-Yo String by Jerry Spinelli. We're looking at settings still. So we're going to take a look at setting in a chapter of that book. We are going to then set up our online writer's notebook where we will save it to our ELA 8 folders. And then we will take a look at the prompt called the neighborhood spot, which is also another take about setting. And then we'll take some time to share our responses to that prompt in small groups in breakout rooms. For my PM kids, as you know, there is an opportunity now to be on Zoom in asynchronous as well, starting today, A Day. For my AM kids, my periods 2 and 4, I am taking attendance and all of those things. For PM, for asynchronous, I hope to see you there. I will help you out if you need it. But I will just be I'm only going to be giving instruction for the first 5 minutes, and it's basically just going over the directions like I do on these videos. And then after that is just independent work time still. So will not be taking attendance in the asynchronous Zoom time. So you will not be penalized for not attending that session. Um, I just wanted to clear that up. I hope to see all of you today in PM. Oh, I didn't mention in PM. During that asynchronous time, you'll be working on the PlayPosit. And I did have a few messages yesterday about the PlayPosit not working. With anything that's very interactive within the window of Schoology, sometimes Schoology doesn't like that and gets temperamental. If the PlayPosit does not work for you in Schoology, like you'll probably get like a frowny face, like a little boxcar with a frowny face. If you get that, just go to the upper right hand corner where you'll see this arrow that's like pointing up diagonally right, like up and right. Click on that, it will pop you out to another tab, and the PlayPosit should work fine in that tab. That's usually it happens to me too. Wow, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but on my sun porch and the wind just picked up like crazy. Anyway, after you do that PlayPosit, you are going to do you're going to watch a video from Alma. It's 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes long. And then you're going to post in a discussion board about Alma. Again, we're still kind of thinking about setting and mood. And then the last thing you're going to do today is look at this QBT book choice chunking template. What you need to do with that is it's going to have you divide your book up evenly so that you know you're reading at a pace that's going to get you finished on time for the final reflection. So it's going to help you break up your book into sections so that you know about how far to read and how to pace yourself. All right, guys. Well, I hope to see you later today. But if I don't, have a wonderful day and a great weekend.